Picture this: a humble cucumber sitting quietly in your fridge, unassuming and cool, waiting patiently for its moment to shine. At first glance, it may seem like just another simple vegetable, a crunchy, refreshing snack you toss into your salad or use to make pickles. But what if I told you this everyday vegetable is more than just a healthy snack? In fact, cucumbers are a powerhouse of health benefits that could transform the way you feel and look every day. This little green veggie isn't just for hydration. It's a secret weapon for your body, offering everything from enhancing brain function and supporting heart health to promoting better digestion and even supercharging your weight management efforts. It's like nature's own wellness supplement, and the best part? It's all backed by science. Whether you're looking to cleanse your body, give your skin a natural glow, or improve your overall well-being, cucumbers can be your ultimate ally. So in today's video, we're diving deep into the 10 transformative effects of cucumbers, from detoxifying your system to rejuvenating your skin and even helping with weight loss. You'll be amazed by how such a simple vegetable can hold so much power. Stick around as we uncover the hidden health benefits of cucumbers that you definitely don't want to miss. 1. Packed with antioxidants. Your cellular shield cucumbers are an antioxidant powerhouse, brimming with compounds like flavonoids, tannins, and beta-carotene. These substances combat oxidative stress, a harmful condition caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells, accelerate aging, and increase the risk of chronic illnesses like cancer and cardiovascular diseases. What makes antioxidants special is their ability to neutralize these free radicals, effectively protecting your cells from damage. Studies suggest that antioxidant-rich foods, such as cucumbers, can lower inflammation levels, strengthen the immune system, and even support healthier skin by reducing oxidative stress that leads to wrinkles and dullness. To reap the full benefits, consider incorporating cucumber slices into your salads, smoothies, or infused water. Not only will this boost your antioxidant intake, but it'll also enhance your hydration, which further supports detoxification and cellular repair. 2. A natural hydration booster. Did you know cucumbers are about 96% water? That's right. This simple vegetable is one of nature's most hydrating foods. Staying hydrated is essential for nearly every bodily function, from maintaining energy levels to supporting proper digestion and flushing out toxins. Unlike plain water, cucumbers come with a bonus: essential electrolytes like potassium and magnesium that help regulate fluid balance and prevent dehydration. This is especially beneficial in hot climates or after intense physical activity, where hydration becomes a priority. Moreover, cucumbers are a great way to keep your skin hydrated from within. Regular consumption can improve your skin's elasticity and texture, making it appear plumper and healthier over time. Add them to your snacks or as a side to meals for a refreshing and hydrating boost. 3. Aiding digestion and gut health. Struggling with bloating or irregular digestion? Cucumbers might just be your gut's best friend. They're a natural source of fiber, particularly in the peel, which promotes healthy bowel movements and prevents constipation. Cucumbers also contain a unique compound called cucurbitacin, which is believed to enhance the digestive process by stimulating enzyme production. This not only aids in breaking down food more efficiently, but also helps soothe inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract, reducing symptoms like acidity or bloating. Including cucumbers in your diet can also feed the good bacteria in your gut, supporting a balanced microbiome, a key factor for overall health, including immunity and mood regulation. Make sure to eat them unpeeled whenever possible to maximize their fiber content. 4. Weight management, low-calorie, high-volume snack. Looking to shed some pounds or simply maintain a healthy weight? Cucumbers are your ideal snack. They're incredibly low in calories, with just 16 calories per 100 grams, making them an excellent choice for anyone trying to reduce their caloric intake without feeling deprived. What sets cucumbers apart is their high water content, which adds volume to your meals and helps you feel full for longer periods. The combination of hydration and fiber makes cucumbers an excellent choice for controlling appetite and preventing overeating. Incorporating cucumbers into your meals not only satisfies your hunger, but also keeps you hydrated, ensuring you don't confuse thirst with hunger. Add cucumber slices to salads, sandwiches, or as a snack with a light dip for a nutritious and filling option. 5. Promotes healthy skin, natural beauty enhancer. If you're on the hunt for smoother, more youthful skin, cucumbers might just be the answer. Packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, manganese, and silica, cucumbers help hydrate the skin, fight inflammation, and promote collagen production. Vitamin C is a key player when it comes to skin health. It aids in the synthesis of collagen, a protein that keeps your skin firm and elastic. Silica, another nutrient found in cucumbers, is known for strengthening connective tissues, improving skin structure, and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Cucumbers can be used both internally and externally to boost skin health. Eating them regularly helps nourish your skin from within, while cucumber slices or cucumber-based skincare products can soothe puffy eyes, reduce inflammation, and give you that natural glow. 6. Supports heart health, a cardiovascular protector. Cucumbers are not only great for your skin and digestion, but they also offer impressive benefits for your heart health. Rich in potassium, they help regulate blood pressure by balancing out the negative effects of sodium. Elevated sodium levels can increase your risk of hypertension, but potassium works as a natural vasodilator, helping blood vessels relax and promoting smooth blood flow. Additionally, cucumbers are low in saturated fat and cholesterol, making them heart-friendly food. The antioxidants in cucumbers further support cardiovascular health by reducing oxidative stress, which can contribute to atherosclerosis, plaque buildup in the arteries. By adding cucumbers to your diet, you're taking proactive steps to safeguard your heart health for years to come. 7. Balances blood sugar levels, a diabetic-friendly snack. If you're dealing with diabetes or looking to stabilize your blood sugar, cucumbers can be a beneficial addition to your diet. They have a low glycemic index, GI, meaning they cause a slow and steady rise in blood sugar levels, preventing sudden spikes and crashes that are common with high GI foods. Cucumbers also contain compounds that can improve insulin sensitivity and promote more efficient sugar metabolism. Some studies have shown that cucumber extract can reduce blood sugar levels and improve glucose tolerance, making them a valuable food for managing diabetes or preventing type 2 diabetes. Try incorporating cucumbers into your meals, especially if you're aiming to balance your blood sugar throughout the day. Pairing them with protein or healthy fats can further stabilize your blood sugar and keep you energized. 8. Detoxifies the body, cleansing from the inside out. Your body is constantly exposed to toxins, whether from the environment, the food you eat, or daily stress. Cucumbers play a significant role in detoxifying your system naturally. Their high water content aids in flushing out harmful substances through the kidneys, promoting healthy urination, and preventing water retention. Cucumbers also contain lignans, compounds that can bind to and remove excess estrogen from the body, thus supporting hormonal balance. Additionally, cucumbers have been shown to possess mild diuretic properties, helping the body excrete more toxins and waste products through urine. Incorporating cucumbers into your diet, whether in salads, juices, or smoothies, supports the body's detoxification pathways, ensuring you stay refreshed and healthy. 9. Strengthens bones, a source of vitamin K. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy bones and preventing bone-related disorders, such as osteoporosis. Cucumbers are a surprisingly good source of vitamin K, which is necessary for the synthesis of osteocalcin, a protein that helps bind calcium to bones, thus strengthening them. Regular consumption of cucumbers can help ensure you meet your daily vitamin K needs, supporting overall bone health and enhancing bone density. For those concerned about maintaining strong, healthy bones, cucumbers can be an excellent addition to your diet, alongside other bone-friendly foods like leafy greens, dairy, and fortified plant-based milks. 10. Reduces inflammation, a natural anti-inflammatory. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of numerous health problems, From autoimmune conditions to joint pain and cardiovascular disease, cucumbers are rich in anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce swelling, redness, and discomfort. Flavonoids and tannins found in cucumbers are particularly effective at reducing inflammation. These compounds work by blocking the release of pro-inflammatory substances, thereby soothing your body from within. Regular consumption of cucumbers can help manage inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, joint pain, or even skin inflammation. For a quick anti-inflammatory boost, enjoy cucumbers in your meals or as a fresh, crunchy snack. Adding a sprinkle of sea salt or a drizzle of olive oil can further enhance their benefits. Who knew that something as simple as a cucumber could have such a profound impact on your health? From its impressive antioxidant content and hydration benefits to supporting heart health, digestion, and skin wellness, cucumbers are truly a superfood in disguise. So next time you're craving a refreshing snack, grab a cucumber and enjoy all the amazing benefits it has to offer. Whether you eat them raw, in salads, or as a hydrating addition to your water, cucumbers are sure to elevate your health game to the next level. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Healthholic Master for more health tips and wellness hacks. Let me know in the comments how you incorporate cucumbers into your daily routine. Until next time, stay healthy, stay hydrated, and keep thriving.